Hey guys, for this video, we are going to unbox the TSHOT MK2 2025 Asia Challenge. Let's go! Alright, so let's get started. So let's open the box and let's first talk about the cowl. Now, this is made from ABS material and it's clear. Now, most of the players, they will use this one for their CFM chassis. Okay, they just have to cut a bit in this area. Okay? But this one, you can use this for your MS or MA chassis without cutting any part from it. Okay, and it also comes with this one, the spoiler that you can attach in this area or on this part, and it also comes with the decals. So as I show it to you later. Okay, so let's move on. For the tires, this is the a medium size, super hard tires, as you can see. Okay, and it has print on it. It says Asia Challenge, super hard, Tamiya Mini 4x drive. Okay, very nice. All right, so let's talk about the chassis. Now, this is the N02 unit, and it's a light gray color. Okay, this one, and it's made from ABS resin center chassis. Okay, it's a very nice color that you got here. It's light gray. Okay, all right. Next, let's talk about the rims. This is a medium size fin type, and it's a green plated rims. And let's see on the side. Okay, it's all narrow. Okay, perfect for speed. It's medium size. Okay, so next let's talk about the internals. So this one's for me it's a green or like a dark green shade of it. So it comes with the cover, the motor catch, and some wheel bearing. Okay, and also the lock. All right. So next, this is the decals that I mentioned earlier. So here it's the Asia Challenge 2025 Thundershot PMAC. So it's a very nice looking decals, but it's up to you if you want to apply it or use your own decals if you have. Okay, now this pack includes here a 351 gear ratio, and for the rollers, this is a 16mm, not 13 but the 16mm rollers, and comes with a dual shaft stock motor, some Tamiya grease, what else, wheel shaft, and then battery terminal. And then we also have like the screws, nuts, and washers. Okay, and some more. Okay. And lastly, we have the manual.
We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.